Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So I'm going to show you a comparison of paper airplanes. So these are the two paper airplanes that I made in remote learning, and these are the jet flyers that I made yesterday. See, they look different as always. So you take one jet and then you fly it, and then you take a second one and then you fly it also, and you take the first paper airplane and fly it, and the second paper airplane and launch it. So yeah, they look all different as always to launch. So these are all paper airplanes and jets that I designed for remote learning and on the painting table. So I think that's it for next time. So bye.